Hello, this is John Cavalli, and this is your December 2014 Economic and Capital Market Review. Wow, goodbye 2014. I want to thank you for tuning in. Hope that you've enjoyed these this year. We're going to do them again next year. And let's get going. Okay, here is our December 2014 final economic, capital market, and financial planning tip, video, post, and review of the year. Let's get going here. I want to keep this short so we do not take up all of your time. All right, our financial planning tip this month is, and since we're into the start of the new year, the financial planning tip is a little bit more look forward, and it is take your 401k and invest it evenly. So your contributions are set evenly. You'll see this in the verbiage here, but oftentimes a bonus or some sort of an odd type of cash flow may fund that very early in the year. While I would rather that happen than not funding it, it's much better to try and spread it evenly. So you see the funny picture. I tried to be funny, peanut butter and jelly there. All right, moving down to our second portion of this post. Oil was the big story in December and will probably be the big story for the fourth quarter, second half of 2014. It's just amazing to see how you can see on this chart just exactly how low. I've got a chart. Those of you that are just listening, I've got a chart that's high left and going low right. It's dropping under USO, a ticker, from mid 40s down to mid 20s. Come on, did the price of oil really change that dramatically? No, it overshot. It always overshoots. Maybe it was a little bit more. Maybe it was a little overpriced in the beginning. True. You can fight with me over that. But my point is that these things very frequently overshoot. And I use an example of another recent commodity-esque example. So this is what I'm showing here is a basket of commodities chart, and it goes high left to low right. Again, it's dropping like a rock. Looks terrible. Why would you even own that? Well, the reason that you would own this, and this is what I talk about in the verbiage, is that generally these things don't always just go one direction. So my first chart shows that it's up here. My first chart shows oil dropping like a rock. Then the second chart shows a basket of commodities that includes gold, oil, everything dropping like a rock. Aha! But let's go back to the beginning of 2014. This basket of commodities was one of the best performing asset classes of the start of the year. Okay, so what? Well, if we're watching our portfolio weights, which we were, we would have trimmed as those became too great of a position in our portfolios. Okay, well, that sounds great. Sell high, easy to do now. Yeah, but the harder part is to buy low. Just as you change your allocation, you trim back when things become too great. Here on this third chart, I'm showing the third chart now, you must allocate if they become too small as they are in the middle in the first chart. So it's very simple. Agnostically, you just say buy low and sell high. But if you look at the charts, it's a lot harder to do. That's it. That's all for our 2014 final video. We've had a lot of fun with these. This video can be found on our JK Financial Inc. YouTube site, and we'll relay you more information then. Happy 2014, goodbye 2014, and happy 2015. Thank you so much.